Centered on the pandemic, and tonight at least 22 states now reporting new outbreaks on college campuses. The numbers tonight, the death toll now 172,000 American lives lost. Florida, the fifth state now to report more than 10,000 lives lost. The University of Connecticut evicting several students after this video of a packed party surfaced. And many school teachers across this country, teachers here in New York, remain worried. What they're now demanding here in New York, and what Dr. Anthony Fauci is saying about children and their ability to infect family members. Here's Stephanie Ramos in New York.
The new warning tonight that young people are rapidly spreading COVID-19. School officials investigating scene after scene of large college parties posted to social media. Authorities saying this has to stop. The University of Connecticut tonight taking drastic action after seeing this video of a packed party inside a dorm room. The school now kicking those students off campus.
I'm really glad that they're putting their foot down and enforcing these rules.
Nationwide, at least 22 states reporting cases on college campuses. More than 220 students testing positive at the University of Notre Dame, a 20% jump in cases. The school joining a growing list of universities switching to remote learning.
There was a certain fraction of the students that thought they were kind of invincible, I think.
Late today, the president weighing in on how schools can reopen safely.
Students who feel sick should not attend class and should limit social interaction. Then universities should implement measures to protect the high-risk students or professors and teachers.
And it's not just universities.
And there have been some studies to show that children from 10 to 19 can transmit to adults as easily as adults transmit to adults.
Teachers in New York City know one sick child can empty a classroom.
This city went through hell and came back, and we are not going back to hell because of short-sighted political agendas.
The teachers union threatening legal action and even a strike, saying it's not safe to reopen. They're demanding all schools must have PPE, proper ventilation, and a massive testing and tracing program before students return to class. And in Florida, an emotional day in court.
No, I'm not gonna choose. I mean, I've chosen my kids, my students, over so many difficult things, but I can't put my family at risk.
The state's largest teachers union suing to stop in-person learning. The FDA is now putting an emergency authorization of blood plasma to treat COVID-19 on hold. Top federal doctors, including Dr. Fauci, say they don't have enough data from clinical trials to prove plasma can help people fight the virus. Now, plasma has been beneficial to some, but more clinical trials are required in order for the FDA to authorize its use. David.
Yeah, that's a big headline tonight. All right, Stephanie, thank you. And now to that newly released audio from the